Hello everyone, my name is Madison. I'm an account executive here at GoLinks, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize our monetary rewards function within our GoProfiles platform. In order to access monetary rewards, you will go to GoProfiles and navigate the sidebar until you see the rewards feature. You will then click on rewards, as you can see here. And I'm going to explain two features within this platform. So first, the rewards balance. These points do not expire. And here you can see I have 3 points. However many points you have, that's how many points you can redeem then for a gift card or donation to a charity of your choosing. Here you can see some of the different gift card options that we have. We have it separated out by category. So if you want to redeem a gift card for a beverage, get yourself a coffee at Starbucks. If you'd like to go out to dinner, you can get a gift card at Applebee's, Bahama Breeze, you name it. We also have the option to donate to your favorite charity. So if you'd like to donate to the American Cancer Society, American Red Cross, for example, anything of your choosing. We also have the option to reward your peers or coworkers or leaders even with points as well to then reward themselves or treat themselves to a gift card or donation of their choosing. Here you can see I have 10 points to give until the end of the month when my points will reset. You can then give these points through something that we call Bravos, which is a way to give recognition and give these points to a coworker. That is all for our rewards feature today. Thank you, and I hope you get to try it out soon.